Hey guys and gals, what's crack-a-lackin'? Spicy here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. What we're going to be talking about today, a little quick video, is how to apply beard oil, or how I apply beard oil. May be different for other people, but let's talk about this right quick. First thing you're going to need is some beard oil. I tell you what, little icon will pop up. That is Dutch over at Keeping It Dutch. My man Dutch over there, he makes his own beard oil. And in the description below, I'll leave a little link to his store where you can get his beard oil. It's a great product, great price, and you know what you're getting when you get the beard oil. When you get beard oil, a lot of beard oils come in 1 fluid ounce bottles. This beard oil is going to last you a very long time because you don't need that much to go into your beard. Just like to say, a little is a lot. For each person, it's going to be different to the amount that you use on your beard. As you can see, I have a pretty long beard, so what I do is I get 5 drops to go on my beard. So let's go ahead and get 5 drops. Now shake it up right quick. It is beard oil, so I like to get all the different oils mixed up. You know what? I'm gonna do 7 drops on my beard today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's it. That's all you need. And you can see, it's just a little bit. What you want to do is get that rubbed all on your hand. And the first thing I do is I go down with my beard to get the whole coat covered up lightly. So, get that old stash. Okay, so I got the whole outside pretty much coated. Now I want to go up and in to my beard. So that way, on the inside of the beard gets oil, and then my hair follicles get oil as well. So I go up and in. And then I really go in and rub it on my skin underneath my beard. Oh yeah, that feels good. And now you look all woolly. Now the next thing you're going to need is a good comb to comb your hair, because you want to make sure that you get all the oils evenly spreaded throughout your beard. And on Dutch's store, he actually has beard combs that he sells. And he brands them, KID, Keeping It Dutch. Pretty neat. So what you want to do is you want to go and comb your beard down, because that's the way your hair goes. You don't want to comb it up, but you comb it straight down the way you want your beard to go. And I'm just making sure that I'm going through all the hairs and I'm evenly spreading out the beard oil throughout my beard. And just like that, nicely groomed, good looking, shiny beard. Very simple to do, very simple upkeep, and you ensure that you have a nice good looking coat on that beard and it looks good. So that's all you do. And you don't have to do this every day. I do it about every other day or every 3rd day. The best time to put on beard oil is right after a shower, because unless you have, beard soap and stuff like that, which I don't, the soap that I use on my face and in my beard, it'll wash away the oils off my skin, wash away the oils out of my beard, and I'll leave your beard dry and brittle, and you don't want that. You want a good flowing beard, and you want to be able to maneuver it or help maintain how you want your beard to flow. Okay, so that's it. Just a little quick video of how to apply beard oil. Go check out Keeping It Dutch and check out a store. Great stuff there. Alright, well that's it. That's all I got for y'all. And until next video, I'll see y'all later. Remember, everybody's got a little backwoods in them. I'll catch you later.